So Miss Vina, she turned before the size. Let's see what you can do. Hi Miss Vina, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, zen.
كيف صحتك تمام؟
Tamam, كلهم تمام.
Alhamdulillah. Miss Vina today, mashallah, yani she practiced only two days, and she's really very good for drum. Uh, so inshallah, good luck for her. Miss Vina,
Inshallah.
when you are first time you're coming to the drum, what do you see is difficult?
Of course.
Difficult?
Very difficult. Stress.
But I'm sure you can make it, inshallah. Yeah. This road. But somebody here. It's okay, maybe later. Hi Miss Vina, how are you? You okay?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. كيف حالك?
Alhamdulillah, كيف صحة?
برا.
Bravo, huh? Today Miss Vina, she's second day for practice. She's really doing good. And now we are in the drum area. Yeah. Okay, Vina.
Wait.
Then we wait until that cow comes going out. Hi Miss Vina, assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you?
I'm good. كيف حالك؟
الحمد لله تمام. كيف حالك انت؟ بخير؟
تمام,
كيف
كلهم
صحتك؟
تمام.
بخير؟ ما شاء الله ما شاء الله.
Alhamdulillah.
You speak Arabic, huh? Good for you.
Only that.
Today, inshallah, Miss Vina, she will practice in drum area. So this is the second day. She's already in the drum, and mashallah alayha, and barda. She is good. She is good for the when she is going back from left and right. She's really good, doing good.
The
So
teacher.
inshallah, thank you and good luck for her. I hope she will pass very soon, inshallah. Yeah.
Fighting.
Okay.
Okay.
So we move. Yeah, put it in. All right, Miss Vina, she's going right side. Really, Miss Vina. Now she practice only 2 hours. 2 hours, guys, huh? And she's really like she know the drum already. When I asked her how you know, she said I was watching the video and I learned from the video how you come like this. Good. Very smart girl, huh? Okay, try your best, Miss Vina.
Inshallah.
The drum, both sides from here. When you want to get the drum, don't touch it.
Don't touch.
Don't touch it, people.
Don't touch.
Okay.
After become carbon.
After you film. Now Miss Vina, she will go left. You will use the track. That one you can see the drum number 2, right?
Yeah.
You don't like using the mirror side? Okay. Always when you are here, Miss Vina, try don't go inside. Just the tire facing the drum.
Too much.
Okay. Now what you will do?
Reverse.
You have to look. Yeah, you will do reverse, and then you have to look.
The second
Listen to.
drum.
All right. Now. Yeah. You have to fix it before you went, right?
Left.
Make sure, yeah. So. You fix your steering. Straight. I think you need to be straight. You need to be straight. When you are going back, very slowly.
Yeah.
Don't turn also your steering. When you fix it already, don't need. No?
Yeah.
MashaAllah. Ay, bar dalik.
What?
Call cool eyes.
Good.
If there is wolf coming from this mountain, what you will do? You will run or you will take a selfie?
Of course, take selfie.
Selfie, huh? Very strong lady. No wolf there, no wolf.
No wolf?
Yeah. You need
Only
to-
fox.
Only fox.
Camel, camel.
Camel have, yeah. And donkey also.
Donkey.
Donkey everywhere.
Donkey won't learn how to drive
Ah, yeah. You can teach him. No
from
problem.
Mr. Ahmed.
I teach him before there on the mountain. Okay, Miss Vina, now she will go right side. Alright, Miss Vina. You're doing good. Always when you park this park center.
Yeah.
Because when you go back,
Still difficult, huh?
it's not difficult, but your size is not coming different, you know. يلا بسم الله وتوكلنا على الله إن الله يحب المتوكلين. Okay. So when you see the drum, you are looking from there, the truncle. When you see the drum inside the truncle, you
Okay.
when you see already, you stop. You see?
Okay.
Right.
Right.
Yes. And you go slowly, huh? And watch the middle. You are coming perfect. But here you need to the final, okay? You need to fix before you go inside.
Oh, no.
No.
Hmm?
Full. You can make it.
Really?
Yes, you can make it. See?
Oh,
Yeah,
teacher, very nice, huh?
Always there's chance, you know. But try next time. Don't go back to it. Okay. Now what you will do? Fix your steering straight and go ahead. Your steering was straight. Straight. Fix your steering. Now you need to fix again before you enter. You need to fix left or right?
Right.
No.
Left?
Left, yeah. Because this one from right is near to you, know? So yeah. Halas. That's it. And then straight again. Very good, very good. Always when you're on the door, think what you do, huh? Don't be in a hurry, okay? So you can go like facing. And when you go back also, try to be slowly driving, you know? You can go out because the area is very small. It's long, not long area. Okay, Miss Vina. You go again?
One more time.
One more time. Yes. We finish from left or no?
Ah,
We finish from left. Or still not do? Ah, we finish.
finish.
Go left again.
Left again.
Yes, so yeah. I'll take video from outside.
From outside.
Yeah. Always when you park here, park center. Huh?
I will not come center now.
Yeah.
Oh my god, very difficult to make it center.
Why? Not difficult. Nothing is difficult. Okay? Can you wait for
Okay.
1 second? I will go out, huh? Try your best, huh? No mistakes, okay? You are good. You can talk. No problem.
Okay, now we will do again. Drum test. Teacher outside. Take a video. We take full left. Good. Teacher said okay. We can continue.
back. Yalla, let's see what she will do. So Miss Vina, she turned before the size. Let's see what she can do when she come near the drum, the first drum. I mean, how she can do. It's the same thing. When the drum is coming near to you, you can use the mirror side only, like what Miss Vina she do. You can, I guess, from here. Very easy. Yes. So, and the bumper already inside. Just turn to the right. Yes, like that, exactly. Vina, move right. Yes. She will not touch. She turned very late, but there is chance to go up. Yes. It will, if this like become very difficult, it's good for you guys. You can fix it. You're steering, you know, but don't come back too much. Good, Miss Vina. Yes. All right. You are doing good, Miss Vina. You're tired, I know. Let's go home. You take a rest. And you can cook chicken curry. Okay.
Hot outside.
Very hot outside, really. I'm already, my color changed now. Okay, go home? Yalla, let's go. Okay, try your best, Miss Vina.
Inshallah.
The drum, both sides from here, when you want to get drum, don't touch it. Don't touch it, people.
Don't touch.
Okay?
After become carbon.
After your friend. Now, Miss Vina, you will go left. You will use the trike. That one, you can see the drum number 2, right?
Yeah.
Good. You don't like using the mirror side?
Yeah.
Okay. Always when you are here, no? Miss Vina, try don't go inside. Just the tire facing the drum.
Too much.
Okay. Now what you will do?
Reverse.
You have to look. Yeah, you will do reverse and then you have to look.
The second
You can do.
drum.
Yeah, second drum. See the view? You can see that from here, blind point.
This
Half drum or full drum?
full drum.
Full drum?
Yeah.
So your side is full drum. Full right, full left, huh?
Yeah.
Are you sure it's full left?
Sure.
Last. Like you are driving boat. You know how to drive boat, Miss Vina?
Boat?
Mm.
No. Motorcycle. Supermarket.
No, they are bring these things from the farm, so it's fresh, you know. Yes. It's
Price
fresh.
okay?
Huh?
Price?
The price okay, not bad, nice. Because we can buy 1 kilo like this, or enough half kilo. You like the date?
Yeah, I like.
It's very sweet, huh?
Yeah.
Like
The big one will.
like you.
Oh.
MashaAllah.
Mr. Ahmed,
Yes, Miss Vina.
very nice teacher.
Thank you. You are very, very good student.
If you want learn how to drive, call Mr. Ahmed.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, they are calling me so many people, even from Salala.
No, oh my God.
Don't go Yeti. Hamriya. You go Hamriya. Take 4 round.
Around.
Yeah, again 4 round. You turn, no? We go Kantab route. We go 00 Kantab route. Right, Miss Vina. Here we go. Okay guys, thank you for watching and inshallah see you in another video. Miss Vina, want to say something?
See you!